everybody! Welcome to my vlog and sa mga bago dito sa YouTube channel ko. Hello! My name is Therese and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. So guys, ito na yung Kikay kit ko. Ano siya? Meron siyang design sa Flamingo, tapos iba-ibang colors. And dinadala ko to, not everyday, kasi medyo bulky siya and madami akong dala. So, hindi ko naman lagi dinadala to. Minsan dinadala ko lang is face powder, tas lip tint, tas okay na yun. Pero dahil i-vlog ko yung buong kikikit ko, here it is. I bought this from SM department store, so may SM accessories. And, price ata nito is 100 to 150. Yun ang pagkakaalala ko. And marami pa siyang designs like merong transparent pouches, merong yung mga pouch na iba-ibang color. Parang gano'n. Sorry guys, ang ingay kasi umagang-umaga. Pero, first is Biore. Ano ba siya? Nagpo-focus ba siya? Biore sunscreen dahil nag-aaral ako sa PUP. Besides, sa pangalang Polytechnic University of the Philippines, binansagan din siyang, alam ko, yun eh, ito anong Maynila. Or, I just made that up. Pero, ito kasi, sobrang init sa PUP. As in, sobrang init. Like, ito yung araw, then, this is PUP. Parang, ganun. Okay. Anyway, I just used this. This is Biore UV Spray SPF 50++. Meron to sa, alam ko meron to sa Landers or sa mga store na ewan ko, hindi ko alam kung saan ko ito mahanap, pero I bought this from Beauty MNL ata or Makeup Store Manila sa Instagram. Next we have Fit Me foundation in the shade 220. Umitim na nga ako kasi yun nga, ito yung shade ko. Wait lang. Umitim na ako sobra. Next, we have, syempre, if meron tayong foundation, meron tayong concealer. Also for Maybelline. Hi, Maybelline sponsorship naman dyan. Charot. Okay, next. Itong Maybelline. Matagal na to pero, ang shade niya is 25 Medium Mauve. I often use this. Asan siya? Ito siya. I often use this, lalo na kapag gusto ko lang light yung nasa face ko. So, foundation, then powder. Concealer, powder, then lip tint. Ganun lang. Speaking of lip tints, yung mga lip tint ko. We have 3. I have 3. Yan. First is the Nature Republic in the shade Red Cherry. Asan siya? Ito. Ito yung shade niya. Swatch siya. Glitter. May Nature Republic sa may Santa Lucia, East Grand Malls. Saan pa ba may Nature Republic? Alam ko sa may Eyelash, pero I'm not sure. Next is the Ever Bilena na lip tint. It's for 125 lang. And the shade is Uptown Red. Doesn't focus. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Pero meron akong bad review dito sa, Ever Bilena. Pero ito yung shade niya, swatch na ito. Kasi, ang Ever Bilena, pag tumatagal yung lip tint, parang umaasim. Nag-ano siya ng apple cider smell, gano'n. Okay, next is Pera. Ito siya, ito yung shade niya. Yan. Ito in the shade, ito ata yung Red Cherry. Ito is shade number 5. Shade number 5. Yan. Okay. Next is we have, syempre for the lashes, we have, oh my gosh, wala. Asan yun? Okay. Wala siya. Ito. we have Nichido na eyelash curler. At yung pinaka, isa sa tipid tips na nalaman ko sa mga vloggers. Yung Nichido, sobrang, pag pinush siya talaga yung lashes, matataas talaga siya. And for 100 something lang ata to. And of course, syempre mascara. I have the Hyper Curl from Maybelline. Yeah. Ang ganda talaga ng ng beauty line ng Maybelline, pero wala, ilang pera. And of course, we have the Real Technique brushes. Ano siya? Ito yung for the powder. This is for the blush. Tapos, yung blush na ginagamit ko is from MAC. Ang shade niya is Melba. See it? Yes. I'm going to swatch it for you kung makita niyo. That's sa kanya. Parang siyang pinkish na coral na hindi niyo ata makita kasi masyadong light yung ilong. Hindi ng ilong ko. Okay. Next is... ano ko na ba? Ito yung powder ko. It's also from MAC Studio Fix in the shade NC25. Yan. Ito yung ano niya. Pag inopen mo yung compact powder, ito yung shade niya. And then, meron pa siyang lower level. Yes, small. For the sponge, gagamitin mo syempre for the face if you wouldn't want to use the brush. Next is Maybelline lipstick. It's in the shade of Plum Perfect 435. Yeah, 435. And ito yung swatch niya. Maganda tong Plum Perfect for morena people, morena girls. Kasi parang nag-give siyang sobrang ganda ng effect. Wait lang, yan. Pwede din siya syempre for, yung mga merong skin na fair or light tone. Kung gusto nyo talagang dark yung lips nyo, I prefer to use Maybelline. And, ang ganda talaga ng Maybelline. Wala, parang half ng products na ginagamit ko for my face is Maybelline. Last but not the least is my watch. I often bring this along with me kasi feel ko pag wala akong watch or madalas makalimutan ko, at least meron akong go-to watch, diba? So, kasi feel ko pag wala akong watch, parang ang bare ng wrist ko. Parang kailangan ko na something like ganyan. Kailangan ko ng ponytail na nakalagay sa wrist ko. And that ends our vlog for today. Thank you for watching, guys. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And if you have more suggestions, don't forget to put it down below in the comment section. Thank you and God bless you all.